What are you doing? Got a little bean here. Are you gonna help me do my makeup? Oh. Okay. What are you doing? Don't show your butt to the camera, you rude girl. Okay, okay, stop. Censored. She's stuck. Oh my god. What was that? She's fine. She's fine. You're gonna say hello without jumping on my background. I think she wants to go to sleep. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have this very Christmassy look for you, and I really enjoyed doing this, and it's something that I haven't really done on this channel, kind of like more complicated eye looks, but I really enjoyed it and I hope you do too. And yes, I know that the colors clash with my hair, but we don't care. So without any further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so first off I'm going to use this Mochi, I think that's how you pronounce it, eyeshadow from Sugar Pill, and I'm going to pop that in my crease. After that I'm going to take my Gemini palette and take shade Leo and pop that in the crease as well. So I'm not going to blend this out as much as I did the previous shade and kind of just keep it right in the crease just to darken it up. I'm then going to go back in with the previous brush and just blend everything together. I'm then going to take shade Fire OG and just blend Leo out with it. Next I'm going to take the eyeshadow Midori from Sugar Pill and pop that above Fire OG. I'm then going to take the same colours and apply them on the bottom lash line. Next up I'm going to take my P. Louise base, this is in shade Rumor 1, and a flat brush, and I'm going to carve my crease from this point all the way to here. So basically a somewhat full cut crease from the inner corner to the outer corner, and we're going to darken up the outer corner later on. Hey baby! Hi! What's up? Come on! Oh, you're beautiful. That's it, tutorial's over. Cat wants cuddles. You sit. I know you're not a dog, but you can still sit because you fits. Next up, I'm going to take my Smoke Sessions palette from Melt Cosmetics, and I'm going to use shade Gravity OG, and I'm going to pop that in the cut crease. I'm then going to go back in with Leo and just pop that in the outer corner of that cut crease. After that, I'm going to take shade Mean Green and I'm going to pop that over the top of Leo and kind of mix it in with the golden shade. Next I'm going to take shade Blue Dream and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner of my eye. Next up is eyeliner and I'll be using this Mel Cosmetics liquid lipstick and this is in shade Immoral. There's a car outside driving past blaring Christmas songs every 5 minutes. Can you just fluff off? Okay, next up I'm going to take this Huda Beauty pencil and this is in shade Cheerleader and I'm going to pop that in the waterline. Okay, I'm going to pop on mascara and lashes off camera and then we will continue with the rest of the face. For the next step, I'll be using shade Lazarus from the Kat Von D Shade and Light eye palette and I'll be using that to contour. After that, I'm going to use the eyeshadow Suburbia from Sugarpill and I'm going to apply that as a blush. Next up I'll be highlighting and I'm using the Collection Gorgeous Glow Highlighter in Moondust 1. And for the lipstick, I'm just going to use the same lipstick I use as an eyeliner and this is Immoral by Melt Cosmetics. So this is the final look. I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video and have found it useful. If you have, do please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!